Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NOKIA Device to ALCATEL 1B 2022. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your apps are ready, open them. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Now, after tapping Close in a white pop-up at the top, select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ALCATEL. Also on Nokia, using all of those categories available at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times to access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on ALCATEL. As you can see, the screen is not working properly. But if you manage to see this kind of pop-up, hit Allow. Then point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!